Okay, I videotaped it. Oh my god, he got it in the air! I think I videotaped that.
I'm gonna do it again. Let's put it in the air.
Look at that one right there. It's like a thumbnail.
I'm gonna throw it up in the air, okay?
Ah. Come on.
It's such a huge pile here.
Move your feet back a little. Maybe they'll come if your feet aren't in the way. Oh my gosh, it's going on YouTube.
This is the funniest thing. I wish I had more.
Try another one in the air. Throw one over there and watch them all flock to that one side. Thrown right in the middle. Ah!
Oh god, I ran out.
It's just cheese. Just 1.5. We'll tear it in half. Oh my god, it was so close to us. Oh my gosh, it's so close
There's
to
so
us.
many.
We're so popular.
I've never been this popular with the chicks before.
You and your fruit punch Capri Sun. It's okay. You want it? Ah!
No, stop. Gus, they have to come get it themselves.
Man, this is like sand and cheese. How do I get this off? I can't wipe it off.
You went and got it. Look,
This
look.
is
Stare at that. Stare at that.
like a contradiction because if I wiped it on a towel, I'd get cheese on the towel. But if I wiped it on if I licked it off, it'd be standing. Woo! Wow! Yeah!
He's a hero, but it's too dropped.
He's so brave.
There's nothing left, bro.
I'm gonna scare them all away.
I have not
Hold this.
ever been this popular.
Oh, you got cheese on it! Wow! I've become the cool kid now. If I can get off all my butt. Wow!